Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva websites with Google Analytics at 2026. So you will need at first to know that the Canva doesn't support the Google Analytics directly like WordPress does, but you can track your Canva website 100% correctly using the Google Analytics for like GA4 via a custom domain, no hacks, no code injections. Okay, so what you need first, you will need to make sure that you have the Canva websites published on a custom domain and a Google Analytics for accounts. Also, the access to your domain DNS like Cloudflare, Namecheap, GoDaddy, etc. So, the first step is actually creating a GA4 property. Okay, so for example, we'll go with a new tab, type GA4, go with Google Analytics here, and then if you have an actual account on the Google Analytics, you will need just to click on admin and then just click create property and choose the web for the property type, and right there just enter the website name, the time zone, the currency, and click create. Okay, then just save right there on the admin tab and click on the data streams, select your web stream and copy your measurement ID. So you will need this later, so keep it copied. So now you will need to verify your domain, okay? And to do that, you will need to use the Google Search Console because the Google Analytics only tracks the Canvas sites correctly after a domain verification, okay? So you will need to go with a Google Search Console. So just type it on the Google search engine and then just choose the Google Search Console. And here you will need to click on start now, and there you go. So on the domain you will need to click or to enter your domain. Okay, so just enter it right here and then click on continue. So after entering it, the Google will give you a TXT record, so add it to your DNS, okay? Like the type TXT, the host name, and the value as Google's TXT code. Then just click on save and wait 5 to 10 minutes, then click on verify. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.